Hello guys, welcome back. I'll be doing another like a project while teaching what I will be busy doing. Okay, last time we're doing student manager. So just the console that add a student, display student, stage a student, and does exit. So it's help you to learn classes, how to declare class, to implement a class in a normal way, and how to display the data, how to add, to put the data on the class, to store it in an object of type class, and also to display that data, and also to sage. Yeah. So now I'll be doing all of them, but I'll add file handling where I'll be saving inside a file. So yeah, then we'll be doing saving into the file and then load whatever is inside the file and also search. Okay, let's get inside the matter. Okay, you're just gonna open a new project or solution. That'll be calling file based content. So I'll put it here, said here. Oh, did I do open or just say new solution? Yeah, new solution is gonna be a CLR console. So yeah, we haven't gone to UI, but we'll be go there. I believe for the following tutorial, we'll be doing UIs. So we go to next. It's gonna be file based contact. Yeah, contact manager. Gonna be file based contact manager. So yeah, here this is my location, my path where my project will be in, and I always make sure I place my solution, my project in the same directory, and always make sure you see it's a .NET framework. Yeah, then I create because everything is good on my side. So yeah, I'll try to be a little bit slow so that can manage to satisfy everyone. Yeah. Okay, what we'll be doing, we'll be doing what? We'll be adding, add, okay, add contact. The user will be adding contact, saving, save to file, and what else? Load load from file, and what else? Search contact. Amazing. That's the basic things that we'll be doing. So okay, uh what you need to have in mind, you need to have in mind required library that you'll be using. Okay, we'll be using a list, a dynamic array, so you remember that to include the namespace system, link into the collections, and link into generic, and also to include the system IO, input output, for the file handling. Yeah, that's what I can just remind you. So this is how the main function looks like, and it's called file based contact manager. So what I'll be doing, I'll just create a class called contact where I'll be saving my I'll be manipulating my contact things. Yeah, so Okay, just come to my project, Solution Explorer, right click, and then I do add. Go to add and add a class. The class will be called contact. Contact. Always make sure you start with a capital letter, and it's gonna this create straight header file, and also it cpp. All right, and we are on managed C++. So let's dive in. Okay, that's our class. So here in, we are on managed C++. I'll be calling using namespace system. Good. Okay, good. I can make it public, or leave it like that, so it's still pretty good and amazing. So what I will do, I will just come to my private members, okay, which gonna be ID, name, phone, category. It's for the contact. So the ID gonna be the integer ID, the name gonna be a string. Remember a handler. The phone is gonna be a string too. Phone, it's gonna be a string, and category also, it's gonna be a string. So remember, a handler, category. Good. Okay, let me go to my public members. Good, which I'll be having my default constructor is contact. It does have the same name of the class. Default overloaded default constructor has got also same name, but it has parameters. ID for overloaded. Let me